Hey, y'all, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Rhonda. If you have never stopped in before, well, I welcome you. Big old hugs to you, honey, for stopping by. But today I am carrying on my little theme of some keto dishes for the new year. You know, everybody makes those New Year's resolutions for just a little minute, and they start trying to eat better. And me and Russ, we are getting there. We're trying to do better. So I have thought about what I can make for you. And one thing that I have not made on this channel is something for breakfast besides biscuit and gravy. That is the only thing that I have done. That's really not keto. But a breakfast casserole is something that we really enjoy on the keto diet. And so I'm just going to show you how I whip this up real quick. Now I've got my oven set at 350. She's happy. She's raring to go. And the only thing that I have done is I have scrambled some sausage up. Didn't add anything to it. It is just sausage. That is all it is. And I'm going to go ahead and just put this in my little casserole dish and just cover the bottom of that. All right, and we'll just scoot this out of the way because we don't need that right now. This recipe really is has minimal ingredients, just like I like, and but it's good stuff. It's something you can just throw together. I also like to make these in individual mini muffins, and just if you're prepping for the week or whatever, I like to do that. I like to have them on hand. I can just grab one and go for breakfast. But if not, if you're doing it in a casserole dish like this, you can cut it up. Same thing, same concept. So I'm going to start with, I'm going to get me a little bowl here, and I've got some good old farm chicken eggs. My son gives me his chicken eggs. So I'm going to start by cracking these little eggs, and I'm telling you, I don't run across any bad ones normally, but sure as a whirl, I'll crack one and it'll be a dud. So I'm going to just crack these up real quick and get these all ready. These are good. I'm telling you what, these eggs compared to the ones you buy in the store, Lord, you will get spoiled eating some good old chicken eggs. Especially in desserts. I know we ain't supposed to be talking about that right now, but it's some good old pound cake or something. Lordy Jesus. These make a difference. Now I'm eyeballing everything, big surprise, but let's see, I've got 4 eggs in there. I just kind of do things till it looks right. So let's see, 5 eggs. I got 8 eggs out, and that should be more than enough, but I'll just go ahead with the 8 eggs. It'll be nice and fluffy. If you don't have 8 eggs, do 6 eggs or whatever you got. You can reduce this down, no big deal. All right, I'm just gonna give this a whisk. Get these eggs all beat up, and I'm gonna add in some. I think I'm gonna add some whipping cream, y'all. I didn't get it out, but it is right here on hand. I'm gonna put maybe about a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream in here. Just gonna make them eggs good and fluffy. Get this all mixed in. Now we gotta have salt and pepper. Yes, Lord. Can't be doing that to nobody. That should be a sin, serving food with just no salt. I shouldn't say that. People are on low sodium diets, but there are other ways to flavor stuff up. So, all right, get this whipped in. Now I have some Colby Jack cheese that I shredded, about a half of a block of, well, it's about I'd say probably about 6 ounces left in the block, and then I've got half a block of this of 4 ounces. So we have got that. Now, trying to keep this low carb. I could have put, now if I wasn't on low carb, I'd have put all the things in this sausage. I'd have put bell pepper, onions, all the things that I like, but because I'm doing this low carb, I'm going to be watching the carbs, right? So I had made up my taco seasoning mix, and if you want to know what that is, just hit me up or go look at my taco soup. I'll have it in the bottom of that. But I'm going to flavor these eggs just a little bit, and I'm going to put 1 big heaping tablespoon on here because I want this to have just a little Tex-Mex flair, I guess you'd say. So, and this is just like taco seasoning mix, of course, without the carbs of you getting a taco season packet. Now, I'm going to use some jalapenos, and these diced jalapeno peppers are less than 1 carb, it says, for a tablespoon. So I'm going, and I've probably only have about a tablespoon in here. So we're going to count these carbs as we go. So that is 1 carb in those eggs. My sausage was 0 carb, and my heavy whipping cream was 0 carb. So far, we've got 1 carb in this, all right? Now, here's where we're going to put just a few carbs in. Not going to go crazy with it, but we want that flavor. So, I'm going to use some salsa. I normally have this made up, my own salsa, but we have ate it all, y'all, through the summer. I've gave it away and everything else. So, let's see, on these carbs, it is 2 carbs for 2 tablespoons, okay? So this is a tablespoon. We're going to count these things. 2 tablespoons. So essentially 1 carb per tablespoon. So 1, 2, 3. We'll stop right there at 3. And I'm going to do 4. We'll just have 4 carbs. Now 4 carbs for this dish, I mean, if you're getting breakfast unless you're just having scrambled eggs and some butter and a piece of bacon, because listen, that's about the lowest carb you can get, and it tastes good as well. But still, for this whole pan, 4 or 5 carbs is not bad for this whole casserole. You do not have to put that salsa in there, but I didn't because I didn't have the bell pepper and the onion and all that, and I'm telling you, those things add up. Onion, you'll be surprised at how many carbs is in onions, so they really add up, and we don't want them to add up on us. So I am going to start layering this cheese on here, just right over this sausage. And like I said, I probably have, let's see, 4. I've already got just about 8 ounces, actually. It's probably what I got, about a whole block of cheese that I have just shredded in my little handy dandy shredder there. And I'm just going to pour this egg mixture right on top of it. Looks delicious. It smells so good. I was debating on if I should put some sour cream. I think I'm going to add some sour cream in here. Let's see. And our total carb on this one is 0. There's no carbs in this sour cream. So I'll just put a little bit in here. That's just going to richen it up. It'll be good. Thickens it up a little bit too. But I'm just going to give this a good stir because we don't want no white lumps or anything floating around up at the top. Just give it a good little what's up here. I'm not a huge breakfast eater. I like breakfast around brunch, around 10 or 11, but because I have to get up so early in the morning, I have learned to start eating breakfast or I'll be starving by lunchtime. All right, I'm just going to pour this right over here. and see what we got here. I may need a few more eggs in this, who knows. I might crack a few more eggs. Now this dish is a pretty good sized dish. So let's see, let's just give it a little mash down, see what we're working with. I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be fine. All right, this is ready to go in the oven. I might just add a little heavy cream, maybe here and there on it. Here you go. Just make it super creamy. Now this is gonna cook probably about 40-45 minutes. Just so that your egg sets in the middle is fine. All right, looking good, looking good. We got all those spices in there. We've got that salsa in here, and it's still low carb, so I'm happy with that. So this is what she's looking like. I'm gonna put this in the oven, and I'll come back and check it in I'll check it in about 30 minutes to see where we're at, and if it's good, I'll pull it out. If not, it's just gonna keep on cooking. All right, y'all, it is out of the oven. My house is smelling so good. It did, however, take about 40 minutes for this, as I had anticipated. I checked it at 30 minutes and it was still a little soft in the middle, so I just let it go for another 10 minutes. So it is all ready to go. It's ready for Russell to come in and give us a little taste. He's over there rubbing his hands. Come on, Russell. Come on, don't be shy.
Hey, y'all.
Shy you are not.
No, I'm not shy.
You are not shy. No, no, no.
Not a little bit shy.
No, no. So, what I have before you today.
Yeah, what we got?
Got some breakfast casserole.
Okay.
I know it's not exactly breakfast time, but this is really good at any time, y'all.
Yeah,
you can totally
good.
pull this off for supper. You really could. We love breakfast for supper anyway.
Yeah.
So, anyway, this is pretty good stuff. It's low carb. Just your, you know.
Now, is this the same kind of casserole as you kind of make in a muffin pan sometimes?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
It is.
Okay.
I even said sometimes I'll do it in muffins, so we can just already have those wrapped and ready to go.
She'll do them up on Sunday or Saturday or whatever. And,
Yeah, prep them.
and you can zap that about 35-40 seconds to let that cheese get real
Yeah,
muffin.
gets
awesome.
real
You
happy.
that all week. That's great. Fantastic.
It is. But we can do this just fine with a little
Eat
square.
it fresh while it's fresh.
Go
not
ahead.
reheat it.
Go ahead. Go ahead. Dig in. Show them what you
Look,
got. Show them what you got.
Oh yeah, let me show you first.
Ah,
Man, it looks delicious.
yummy, yummy. It's got like a little Tex-Mex kick to it.
That's good.
It's good.
Really good.
I haven't tasted it, y'all, so.
Very good flavor. The jalapeno, I think that's what takes it next level.
Good, good.
Yep. It
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It ain't diet food. Let me tell y'all.
And
That ain't diet food at all.
yeah, it honestly that is the key to this diet is you know, you don't feel like, oh God, I got another salad to do tonight, you know, and just dread, oh, I'm, you know, on a diet, I can't have dinner. So this is what's good about the keto diet is you really don't feel like you're eating diet food. Now I do love bread, and I do miss bread and pasta. So
we're talking breakfast and them good old grits.
Yes.
You know, if you know, you know. Southerners, you know.
That's right. But anyway, when we get to missing stuff like that, you know, it's sometimes a little difficult. But but this is not really hard things to do. It really isn't.
It's delicious.
It is delicious. Even if you're not looking to lose weight and you're just trying to watch your blood sugar, this is
fantastic for diabetes.
Yes, fantastic.
Our little dog.
Our little dog.
Come back in, really.
The door just popped open like it was a ghost or something.
Yep.
Surprise.
She's letting cool air in too.
She is. But anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you, Rennie, for interrupting.
Yeah. A little bit of comedy there.
Yeah, we gotta. She don't know with video.
She ain't even looked up, y'all. She thought she's doing her own thing, and she ain't even worried about it.
She smells it. That's what she's doing.
Yeah, she's smelling it, and
she's circling.
She's thinking, I might want some of that.
Yeah, she really is. But anyway, I wanted y'all to just see how quick and easy this was. Putting it together is really nothing at all to it, and you can do this with bacon, ham.
Yeah, it'd be good with both of those.
Yep, and you can add spinach. I've done mushrooms.
Yeah, that would be good.
A lot of, whatever to fill it up. I started to put mushrooms in them, but then I didn't. But anyway, it's good.
I don't know what all's in it, but it's delicious. Yep. I'm telling you. You try that, and whether you try low carb or just want something good to eat, that is both. So,
yeah, yep. It's good anytime.
Yep, it really is.
Anyway, y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. And if you like these recipes and you want us to continue doing, please let us know.
Yeah, get them comments.
Let us know
talk about the kind of stuff that you like when you're trying to lose a little bit of weight, get a little healthier. And
I know if you're not on keto, you'll be like, whatever. But like I said, this is good for different things, and it's good to eat just on the normal, even if you're not on the diet. So
it's very good. It's delicious.
It's delicious. Yes, this is good for
anytime.
Yeah, anytime it is.
Yeah,
it is. But
that's
anyway,
a very southwestern type.
It does. Well, I used my taco powder that I made.
There it is. It tastes very similar. It's very good.
Yes,
very
and I did put some salsa in it. So this whole casserole dish was only 5 carbs.
Wow.
The entire thing was 5 carbs.
That's good.
So that was great. My sausage was 0, my cheese, of course my eggs. So all of that's the only carbs that
that's good.
Was the salsa, and 1 carb for the jalapenos.
Well, they were delicious. They were worth that carb.
It is. It really is. And it says that it's not even quite a carb for a tablespoon. So
healthy and good, y'all. You
healthy and good. Yes.
Give it a try.
Give it a try. Let me know if you do. Let me know how you like it. Anyway, until next time.
Peace.